Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're here with me, Sinead. If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure that you go ahead and click that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see in today's video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me today. You know I love having you as always. And also don't forget to hit that like. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a how-to. Essentially, it was supposed to be actually a full-blown get ready video with me, hair and makeup. But a couple of weeks ago, actually showed you guys my updated routine when it came to my makeup. So this essentially is the other part of that video. So this video is how to do the chase method so that you can achieve the ultimate shiny, silky, straightened hair look. And over the past couple of years, I've been getting a lot of silk presses, so I feel like I've picked up a few tips and tricks that I can share with you guys so that you can achieve this in the comfort of your own house. First things first, you're going to make sure that you are working on fresh, clean hair. Ultimately, this is going to be the best canvas for you to work on because it just means that you haven't got any product build-up on there, and it's just the natural oils from your hair working in conjunction with obviously getting the straightness. You also, when it comes to tools, are going to need a rat tail comb along with obviously a pair of straighteners, and you can also have a paddle brush as well if you choose to. So as you can see, I'm working on fairly small sections. They're probably about 1 inch wide. You want to work on small sections because that will help you to achieve that bone straight kind of look that we're going for. You can work on larger sections, but if you work on larger sections, you're going to find that you'll have more volume within the hair, and if you are looking for that dead bone straightness, it's just easier to work on smaller sections. So not too small, maybe about 1 inch to 1.5 inches wide, but generally not any smaller than that. The reason this method is called the chase method is because, as you can see, the straighteners were following the comb down the shafts of the hair, which ultimately gives it that nice silky smooth straight look as we just saw. So what you want to do once you actually kind of sectioned out your hair and you know that this is a section that you're going to be working on, you want to brush it out a little bit with the comb, and then you want to place the comb at the root and then place the straighteners above the comb, and then basically go down the shafts of your hair with the comb basically going all the way through to the end and the straighteners following. Once you kind of got your hand around this technique, you will find that straightening your hair will become a lot easier and quicker. In the beginning, it does feel a little bit like a coordination act, like you kind of got to get your head around the idea of holding two things at a time. Like, especially for me, I don't normally straighten my hair, but I would find that my hair, when I was straightening my hair, it wouldn't last as long, or I would find that my ends, I would have to go over it more than once, where this actually, you find when you do this method, you only have to really pass the straighteners through the hair one time. You can see sometimes in certain areas that I might be going over certain bits, but it's because I'm kind of adding a new section in with that part, and ideally you shouldn't have to go over the straighteners with that particular section with more than one part. You will actually find that if you do this technique on a regular basis, it will actually help to reduce heat damage because you'll find that you're not constantly applying lots of heat to one section of hair. So overall, there's a lot of benefits from learning this technique. So again, I'll show you one more time. You want to make sure that you've got a small section that you're working on and clip away any of the hair that you're not going to be straightening. Then you want to brush the hair out. You want to place the rat tail comb at the root of the hair and the straighteners above it. And then you essentially want to basically drag it all the way down, making sure that the comb is in the hair and brushing through as the straighteners are going through. Now I'm just going to complete the rest of my hair and then I will be back. Once I finish straightening my hair, I like to go in with this L'Oreal LV hair oil. I just basically use that to kind of smooth down any flyaways and just to kind of bring back a little bit more shine into my hair. And it just helps with weighing my hair down a little bit because, like we mentioned, there's no product because we did work on a fresh, clean base. And that is essentially all done.